Welcome back to our operation on flange 1. By default, you will notice that every new body that's extruded in Fusion 360 is set as a physical material of steel, and that's fine. We're going to use steel, but I do want to change the appearance and apply some paint. So I'm scrolling through the paint library to metallic paint, and I want to put it blue. Please paint your steel, but do not change the physical material, just the appearance. Now you can return to the design and save that. After we save that, we will once again do a save as, and we're going to call it flange 2. Flange 2 we would like to modify into a T-flange. So we're going to get rid of the last three items down here on our timeline at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to right click and delete the rule fillet. I'm going to right click and delete the extrusion, and I'm going to right click and delete the cylinder. So that gets us back to this basic shape, which should seem familiar to everyone. To do a T, we want to construct an offset plane, and we're going to use from the origin the right wall plane. We want to pull it down exactly 2 inches. So we'll type 2, and then we will start a new sketch on this offset plane that we just created. Draw a line from the origin down exactly 2 inches also. And we can probably zoom out just a little bit there to see everything in full view. All right. That temporary construction line is going to give us a center point for our new circle, which we would like to have a diameter of 4 inches. We want to tee into a 4-inch pipe. So we can finish that sketch and zoom out just a little bit and extrude this -4 inches and enter. At that point in time, we're ready to switch our view cube and extrude these two items together. So instead of a cut operation, we want to make sure that we have a join operation. And say OK. That enables full copying of the properties over into our new cylinder. I'm going to reactivate that sketch again, and we're going to give ourselves another circle. Okay, and we want this one to be 3.75. All right, and we want to extrude through there so that it cuts out the old material. Finish the sketch. Extrude such that it cuts out the old material. Make sure you finish the sketch first so you don't get an error like I did. Reactivate this other sketch and use that tiny little circle inside there to extrude and cut through the material also. Now that gives you a clear and open flange. This is called a T-flange. So make sure you save that work as well. You can turn off the sketches when you're done.